Hi everyone, welcome to BISP Solution. Today we are going to break down some of the most important concepts in Oracle Fusion Fixed Assets in a simple and relatable way. We use real world examples and a problem solving approach to make sure you understand not just the how but also the why behind this process. So let's imagine we are working in a large manufacturing company that recently implemented Oracle Fusion ERP. Our fixed asset team is facing challenges in managing assets efficiently, and we are here to solve their problems step by step. So let me clear today's agenda. Today we are going to create the CIP asset. What is this? I will explain. Reclassification, and then we will run the depreciation. Before running the depreciation, we will perform the rollback. There is a connection between rollback and depreciation and mass copy. What is this? One by one I will explain. So what is CIP asset and CIP capitalization? We will relate to the business problem. So let's say our company is building a new factory. The total project cost is $2 million, but we are spending it in phases like land purchase, construction, equipment, installation, etc. So these costs are currently recorded as a construction in construction in progress CIP asset. But once the factory is ready, we need to capitalize it as fixed asset. So what is the solution that Oracle provides? We will create a CIP asset. When we incur cost like land, constructions, material, etc., we enter them as CIP asset in Oracle Fusion. These costs do not depreciate yet because the asset is not in use. So when the factory is ready to use, we capitalize it. Got it? The system transfer the cost from CIP account to the fixed account. So how it transfer, how we create the CIP assets, let's see. And we have rated the business problem. Now let's see how to perform it. So for this we have to go to our project. We are making the CIP asset, setup and maintenance. To our project, overview, and our project. Here we will search for the task, that is manage asset category. Go to this task and search for our corporate book. We have integrate corporate book. Search it. This is our, we have major category integrate building and minor category office building. Edit it. We'll edit it, and we'll provide CIP cost and clearing account. Okay, here we provide CIP cost. This is CIP cost and CIP clearing account. So select our company, select our department. So account will choose CIP cost. The number is 17910. This is the CIP cost account number. Future and none. Click on OK. So we have provided the CIP cost. Now we have to provide CIP clearing account. So our company, so we don't have CIP clearing in the system, so we'll choose the same account, that is 17910 cost, CIP cost. So we do not have in the system CIP clearing, so we are just for practical purpose we are taking CIP cost once again. Cost, project and future. Okay, now system will allow us to create CIP asset. Okay, so this configuration we have to perform before creating the CIP asset. Now save and close, and we'll create CIP asset. Done. For creating CIP asset we have to go to the navigator, and from there fix asset workbench and asset to the task list, and we will add asset. So add asset because we are adding CIP asset. Now we'll add the asset type not capitalized, this is CIP. So choose CIP, the category major and minor, we have to search the major category. Integrate building, and here we have to choose the minor category, the office building. Click on OK. See, the depreciation is for 1 unit and the unit would be same. So if we click on next, we can add the cost of CIP. So let's click on the location we have to select. Country, USA, state, CA, California, the city will choose New York, and this will choose building as none. So let's click on next so that we can add the CI cost of CIP. Okay, so this combination we are using. We click on next. Oh, we have not given the expense account. Just wait. Expense account we have to give. He has chosen the building depreciation account, but rest account we have to give. The company, department, intercompany, and the cost center, project. Okay, click on next. Now we'll add the cost. Come to this financial details, expand it. Here you go to source line and source line create line amount. Let's see, 7 lakh I'm giving. Okay, invoice number, leave it, nothing is mandatory. Now go to, and here you fill the service date. Today's, it's okay. In service date today, it's okay. Not today, it is taking automatically. Let it be. Then what is the mandatory field? It is in use. And asset key, if it takes, then we take, let it be. Okay, so this many details we have to fill. If you want to add employee, you can add employee who is going to take care of it. Now submit. Now after submitting, we'll go to this task list and we'll go on this capitalized CIP assets. Asset type, select your asset type. This is CIP and search. So this is our asset we have created. See the asset number, description 1, this is our category, and asset cost is 7 lakh. Okay, so date placed in service, when we are going to use it, so 1st of March 2025. So select this asset and just click on capitalize. Okay, so date in place, we are going to put this on service on March 1st. Click on OK. Now we can find this asset as a capitalized asset. So let's find where we can find this. Click on done, and now we will find, let's find, go to navigator. Go to navigator and fix assets, asset inquiry. integrate, select the category, and search. See, now it is showing capitalized before performing. See, this is our asset. We can see the depreciation also. So now we have not performed the depreciation. Before performing the depreciation, it is showing CIP. No depreciation, you see. I have clicked no depreciation. Okay. So now we will perform the depreciation. Then you will see how much depreciation is costing. Capitalize. Okay. Now what we have to do is we'll go to the next task and then we will perform the depreciation. Okay. First we'll perform the reclassification. Okay. And then we will run the depreciation. So reclassification. So suppose we purchased 10 company laptops and mistakenly categorize them as furniture and fixtures instead of IT equipment. This affects depreciation rates and tax calculation. So we need to correct the classification. So what is the solution that Oracle Fusion provides us? We use the reclassification function in Oracle fixed asset to transfer the asset from one category to another category. So I hope you got this example. When we wrongly transfer one asset into another asset, so we can change the category, that is known as reclassification. So let's move to the configuration of reclassification. Click on done. It's okay. Go to our project or manage asset category. So now we are going to create the category. So major category select. Building. Select the minor category of shopping complex. Description not mandatory. Category type non-list. It's okay. Ownership owned. It should come here like this only. And capitalize enable. Okay. Now we'll create a book. We'll give our book name, what book we have created, integrate corporate book. So description will come and everything will come. Asset cost, we have to give an account of asset cost. Account will go Click on OK. So we have given the asset cost, asset clearing. Now we have to give depreciation expense. For depreciation expense, we'll search for depreciation reserve. Let me search if it is not coming from here. So we are taking depreciation reserve. Let's find. Let us choose this one only. Okay. Now give the project and give the feature. Click on OK. Now we have to give the depreciation reserve the same we are going to copy. Okay. Now see any value is left as the mandatory, otherwise we will not able to perform the depreciation. So no, nothing is left. Now we'll go to default rules and we create here depreciation straight line. Life in years 60, life in 10. So we are selecting the asset life in years is 60. Then prorate convention, it's full time we have created, full month, that also full month we have created, and go to thing is done. Now let's move to 7 close. Let me check. Okay, 7 close and done. So now we are going to change the asset category from office building to shopping complex. Okay, so we have made one category. Now we are going to change from office building to shopping complex. Go to navigator, go to asset, then go to task list, adjust asset, task list and adjust assets. So category is yeah, this one is our that once again. Some just go to task list, go to adjust assets, and here we have to search. Now we'll note the asset number, this one. Let me note this. Let me move the asset number. This is our asset number. Select this, and you see this is change category. See, it is categories. Right now the category is integrate building office. So now select this and change category. So now what is the new category? Selected what is the new category. So select the major category, integrate building, and the minor category was shopping complex. Click on OK. And click on submit. So this is how we can change the category. Let's see the change that we have changed or not. Click on submit, and now go to navigator, and now let's see whatever changes we have made. Go to navigator, asset, fixed asset workbench, asset inquiry. We have the asset number, search, see that the category has changed now. See this category, integrate building, integrate shopping complex. So this is how we change the category. Now our next task is running the depreciation. So for today the last task is running the depreciation. So let's see what is depreciation and how to run the depreciation. So at the end of the month we need to calculate and record depreciation expenses for all fixed asset to our financial statements. So let's see how we can run the depreciation in the Oracle. Go to, okay, let me show you first of all depreciation, and then we will calculate the depreciation. See if I click on this depreciation here, no depreciation you are able to see. Okay, if any asset I will find. So friends, there are two types of depreciation. First of all, you need to know, one is draft depreciation, which is we run for a trial, okay, and then final depreciation, it is a final and it closes the period. So trial depreciation doesn't close the period and final depreciation closes the period. Let's see the difference and make one adjustment. Go to fixed assets, task list, and adjust assets. Here we have the asset number. Let's paste the same asset number and search. Select it and let's change the financial detail. So change the life like 60. Change its date from March to Feb. I'm just doing the practical whether it is working or not. And purchase. Let's see. So 7 lakh. Now we're putting the life years from 60 to okay 60 to 50. Let me choose 50. I'll show you the depreciation. Earlier it was not calculated because it has selected the March, so March has not come. So now I've selected January. Let's see depreciation. So click on submit and refresh the page. Asset inquiry and go to the number. Now the depreciation is not calculated yet because earlier we have chosen the March date. That is why the depreciation is not calculated. So when you want to calculate the depreciation, please put the date, current date or the previous date. Okay, so this and the following follow the same process. The calculation will be the depreciation will be calculated. Okay, so this is the process of running the depreciation, calculating the depreciation. Now we'll go to the task that is mask copying. Mask copy is our last topic. So what is mask copy? Let me explain you. So mask copy, let's rate mask copy with the business problem. Suppose we have a branch office in New York with 50 desktops. So and we are opening a new office in Los Angeles and need to replicate the same asset setups. So what is the solution that Oracle Fusion provides us? We will use the mask copy function to duplicate the asset structure from one location to another. Then we adjust asset detail like serial number, purchase dates and useful life, and this saves times and reduce manual error. So let's see how to do the mask copy. For that we have to go to the other project. Go to overview, go to our project, task, manage assets book, it will not create this. Click on create. We are running the mass copy. Give the name integrate tax book. Description is same. Book class is task. Select our ledger. First select the book that we have created as a integrate corporate book and select the ledger integrate US. The calendar we have created, choose the calendar, integrate depreciation calendar, and prorate calendar also we have made. Same integrate depreciation calendar. Current period is let come the current period, then we will move ahead. Let me type if current period will not come, then we will not able to perform the action. current period is, let me check. Let me check once. Fixed asset, task list, current period we have open. This current period is not showing. You created current period, it is not taken or not. Okay. No, let's move ahead. Anyway, it is taken anyhow. Now currently taken. Current fiscal year has not come, but okay. Evenly and completed. Now go to this rule reference data set. We have to set everywhere common. Now go to text tab. And here we have to check some box like allow must copy, then this will automatically will select copy transfer and all. Now save and close. Only this many changes we have to do here. Save and close. No, not giving the value. Is it taken? No. So if we have created the current period but here it is not taking, then we provide some roles like accounting manager and asset accountant, and then we click the add the job, we select the book. Okay, so rest discussion we'll do in the maybe some problem in the application, otherwise that is why it is not taking the current period. We have given the current period, we have taken, we have created the current period. So we'll discuss in the next session. Thank you so much for joining this webinar, friends. If any question, please feel free to ask to www.bispsolution.com. Thank you so much.